Meaning of Frenchwoman.
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 Frenchwoman. A Frenchwoman is a woman who is from or has nationality of France. The term can also be used to refer to a woman who has adopted French culture or customs. French women are often seen as stylish, elegant, and sophisticated, and are known for their contributions to the worlds of fashion, art, cuisine, and literature. They have played significant roles throughout French history, from Marie Antoinette to Simone de Beauvoir. Today, French women continue to make important contributions to society and culture both within France and globally.